Alright, good morning everybody. Today is Great Barrier Reef Day. We're walking over to the boat right now, to our boat ride out to the reef. It's a beautiful day, the sun is coming up. We're going into the ocean, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, what's up guys? We're in the middle of the ocean, back at it again, dropping off the sea walkers all the way to the Great Barrier Reef. I'm so excited. Look at this view.
It's so beautiful.
It's stunning here. I'm so excited.
Okay, when she was snorkeling in Mexico, she got cut by a barnacle. We're telling her now, don't get cut on the coral. Don't stand on the coral, don't kill the coral.
I'll try.
We're at the Great Barrier Reef.
Yeah.
Who's excited?
I'm excited.
It's time to go snorkeling, everybody. Just finished up lunch and snorkeling. Girls are over here tanning as well.
Getting brown.
If you look out there, like you can see pieces of coral sticking out of the water. There's a water slide that slides down off of the pontoon into the ocean.
Yeah, you go first.
Jesse's gonna send it.
Here we go.
Cowabunga!
Okay guys, Carter can do this really strange dance, but it's one of the most impressive things ever. Watch this.
Wait, can I do it?
Ice cream, but I got a Mars bar because anyone who knows me knows. Actually, that's not true, but I love Mars bars. They're my favorite candy ever, and you can't buy them in the US. It's a tragedy.
Later.
Bats here are insane. Look, they're just flying all of those. Just bats flying around everywhere. So now we're back from the Great Barrier Reef. We're gonna go shopping, go get some dinner out in Cairns. There's like a cool night market here. I'm not gonna film because I don't want to carry this around with me. But yeah, we're off for the night, and then tomorrow we got a performance, and then we're out of here. Alright, good morning everybody. It's Friday here in Cairns. We just had some breakfast. Izzy just almost got hit by a car.
I did not.
We're checking out the laundry situation because we all got to get laundry done. So there's a laundromat across the street. It's kind of expensive. So yeah, we're gonna take our laundry across the street and get it all done. We got it washed, we put it in the dryer. Jory dropped off a load, Krista dropped off a load. And no one's been hit. We almost got hit a lot of times crossing the street between the laundromat and the hotel. So now we're drying our clothes and I think we're just gonna go shop around for a bit. Okay, wait, okay. There's these utes, these cars in Australia that I think are really cool. Like this guy here. This is a ute. And I think they're sick. Izzy says she wouldn't be caught dead in one.
I would not be caught dead in one.
I think they're sick. Guys, Jamie just come over here and have his black goggles. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You realized. Alright, so we had a pretty good day out on the town, going around, eating, shopping. Now, as one does in Australia, time to go swimming.